Franz and Marco. Can you imagine how a fully electrical intercity bus goes through 4 countries with 1,200 kilometers complex road condition? And today we will take this bus back to Norway. And this is our driver, Mr. Bjørn. Can you give an introduction of this route?
Okay. We are going to drive to Copenhagen today, and then we are going to Gothenburg in Sweden. And the next day again we will end up in Oslo. So I am quite exciting I'm looking forward to see how the capacities of this bus will function. Yeah.
And actually it is the first time for this bus to have this test. So let's see. And now we can see the SOC of this bus is 99%, so let's go. And next we will meet a very complex road condition, which including the highway, urban and also bridge. And let's see, when we arrive Copenhagen, what is the SOC and what is the consumption. So far we have runs about 130 kilometers. The SOC is 80%. I think we can have a range of over 600 kilometers for whole battery estimated. So now we finally arrive at Copenhagen. We can see our location is here. And now let's check the consumption and the SOC of this bus. So far we still have the SOC of 28%. This battery can still run about 173 kilometers. It's a very good consumption. And we have calculated. Actually, for today we have run about 510 kilometers. So on average, every kilometer just costs about 0.64 kilowatt hour. It's a very good consumption. And we are really looking for tomorrow the performance of this bus. Hi friends, I'm Marco, and this is the second day of this trip. And today we will from Copenhagen to Gothenburg. And yesterday we still have 28% SOC. So today we will try to still go about 100 kilometers. Then we will give a full charge and directly go to the Gothenburg. And today we have a new friend, Mr. Tom from Busmarkedet. Say hello to everyone.
Yes. Hello and good morning. I'm here to see how the energy consumption is on the bus and how it's handling, and also the feeling of driving on a long distance.
And still our old friend Mr. Bjørn. And hope we can have a good trip today. And now we are on the Oslo bridge. And during this bridge, the wind speed, the maximum speed can up to 120 km per hour, but we can see our buses still keep very good. Actually, because of we have very good ESC system to make our body pass still and stable. And also, the bus operation condition always on the coast of the sea, so we have to make sure our electric coating is very good. And in our company, we have a unique electric coating technique, so to make sure we can give over 15 years warranty of the body parts. So finally, we arrive charging station near to Helsingborg, and actually the SOC still have 13%. And so far we have run about 608 kilometers, but we have to fully charge. And let's see how long it will take to have a fully charged. And so we start charging. So actually we just use 1 hour and 40 minutes to give it a fully charge. And now we will start a trip to Gothenburg. Let's go.
Okay, let's find the right position. I have been looking forward to test drive this new IC12E. You also have a digital screen similar to an iPad, where you have a homepage like this. You can go in and do some adjustments, and everything is in Norwegian. That's good when you are a Norwegian driver. And in front of me we have the cluster. You have the energy consumption, you have the speed. You can also see the maximum speed for this road. So this bus that I'm test driving now have a battery pack on 465 kilowatt hour. You can charge it with 2 charging guns. It means that you have fully charged this bus in less than 1 hour. As I could see on the display, that we are using 0.56 kilometers, and that is really low. One thing I can see now, that you have heated front window on this one. So if you look very closely to the window, you can see all this small wiring that's heating up the front window. That is something I really like, because in the winter condition in Norway, it could be nice to just press a button and then you have an ice-free front window. The new Yutong IC12E feels really comfortable, like a really good quality bus that was easily for me to handle. It took me a couple of minutes to feel at home. It was quiet, it was perfectly balanced.
Today is the last day of this trip, and today we go from Gothenburg to Oslo in Norway. For the IC12E, the capacity of the climbing slope is up to 20%. It's super good actually, I think. It can overcome all the slope in Europe. And also for this bus, we can give you 45 seats. Also we have 4.5 cubic meter for the luggage compartment. In this bus, we also have baggage rack and also a big compartment. And also in Yutong, our battery have a VESS protection. Actually, we have 3 protection like sandwiches. We also have a liquid cooling or warming. So I think we have considered a lot about battery safety. So finally, after 3 days travel, we're back to Norway, Oslo. And after the travel, the bus will go to Elverum. And Mr. Bjorna, can you talk some feeling about your driving?
It has been a very nice tour. The consumption has been quite low, lower than I expected. I think it's about 0.6 to 0.7 kilowatts per kilometer. That's quite impressive, as I've heard.
So totally, we have charged for 926. And the range we have to travel is 3,400 minus 2,128. And the average consumption is just 0.72 about. So I think this is a very good consumption.